Alright, it's a few days before Christmas. Down at the tree lot. There's the boss. What's up, Dennis? Here's a little shack we've been living in for the last couple of weeks. Anyway, you can hear the birds that people come to feed all over. So we're going to feed the birds this morning. See if these Canada geese like Tim Hortons as much as I do. Let's see here. Alright, birds. Leftover sandwich. Oh yeah. Okay. Who's coming to get it? Let's see how close I can get to these assholes. You know what? I'd probably feed them with my hand if I could. Is this? Come here. Well, you don't. Oh, they don't like burritos. Here, what's this? Come here, ducks. Geese. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Yeah. Merry Christmas.